Bago ka mag-scroll, what if sabihin ko sa'yo na pwede kang mag-start ng sarili mong online business at mag-earn ng passive income for free? I hope that you keep watching because I will show you how, no fees, just pure value. Hello, ako si Camille, isa akong Clickpreneur mom. Nag-launch ang Clicknamics ng isang free online course at tinatawag itong Click University. So para siyang isang online school na dedicated to teach us step by step on how to start our own profitable online business. So yung buong course has a total of 8 modules. Pero focus muna tayo sa module 1 ha. And I assure you, module 1 pa lang, grabe na yung value na matututunan mo. So, sa lesson 1, dito tinuturo kung paano mag-start ng isang high-paying online business na pwedeng magbigay ng lifetime passive income. This is a high-value training that usually costs a lot in other courses, but with Click University, it's all included for free. Lesson number 2 focuses on selling irresistible offers na gusto nang bilihin ng mga tao. This kind of expert training isn't easy to find for free. Yet, it's part of what you will get here in Click University. Lesson number 3 will teach you how to get sales without even needing to do the hard selling. Yung mga automated system like this are highly valuable in today's business world. Lesson number 4 will show you how to earn your first 1 million pesos in affiliate commissions selling Clicknamics offers. Tapos yung lesson number 5, it's all about exclusive perks like free travel and your dream car. This will truly inspire you to dream big. Finally, yung lesson number 6 helps you get started and unlock the next modules. Training like this to set up your own affiliate account and get going would normally be an extra cost. But here, you're getting it included at no charge. And that's it. That's just module 1 ha. Imagine kung ano pa yung pwede mong matutunan as you go through all 8 modules. Kapag natapos mo yung buong course, you will have learned skills over 100,000 pesos in value. So I hope that you don't miss this chance. Ilalagay ko sa bio or dyan sa comment section yung link para makapag-enroll ka na rin for free dito sa Click University.